Metal is arguably one of the most important materials in modern society, used extensively in almost every industry. However, when exposed to air for long periods, metal undergoes oxidation, which leads to rusting. Not only does this affect the appearance of the metal, but it also compromises its durability. With the advancement of technology, laser rust removal has emerged as an effective solution. A laser can clean rust from metal surfaces without any direct contact. As the laser passes over the surface, it leaves the metal looking shiny and clean, almost like new. While laser rust removal is highly effective, it does have its limitations. For items that have been exposed to oil and rust in harsh environments for long periods, the laser method may not always work. Today, I want to introduce you to another effective method of rust and dirt removal: dry ice cleaning. Dry ice cleaning, also known as cold spraying, is a process that uses dry ice solid coat to clean metal surfaces. This method comes with many advantages. It does not conduct electricity, generates no heat, poses no fire hazard, and doesn't damage the metal surface being cleaned. As a result, the surface remains smooth and intact after cleaning. Additionally, since dry ice sublimates into gas, it leaves no waste behind and doesn't harm the environment. Dry ice cleaning is widely used in various industries, such as automobile manufacturing, industrial cleaning, mold cleaning, and adhesive removal. However, this method has some drawbacks, such as the equipment being relatively large, requiring a connection to compressed air, and having high operational costs. The process relies on the extremely cold temperature of dry ice, which is solid coat at about 78 C109F. Dry ice particles are blasted onto the metal surface at high speeds using compressed air, effectively removing rust and dirt through strong impacts. This impact is similar to a mini explosion on the surface, helping dislodge tough contaminants. Simultaneously, the freezing temperature causes the dirt to contract, losing its adhesion to the metal surface. When the dry ice makes contact with the warmer metal, it instantly turns into gas, creating pressure that pushes the debris off the surface. This powerful combination of temperature and pressure makes dry ice cleaning highly effective, capable of removing even the most stubborn rust and grime, leaving the metal surface looking like new. With its effectiveness and safety, dry ice cleaning is becoming an increasingly popular choice in industrial cleaning technology. Have you heard of this method before? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more fascinating content.